Good morning. It is Saturday morning of our trip, the 14th. We had a full moon last night, and it was Friday the 13th, which they say is not going to happen again with that combination until 2049. We are getting ready to go on our daily ride. We're going to ride up to Cedar Breaks or something like that. It's about 70 miles. We have a wonderful spot here in the shade. It's been in the upper 80s to 90s during the day, so that helps quite a bit. I am wearing my buff on my head because the material in the cheek pads on my helmet were making my skin just itch like crazy. And every time I would take it off, it would just be like this itch. It's like it was breaking out in hives or something. So I put this do-rag on my head to protect it, and that helps quite a bit. Looks kind of stupid, but whatever works to keep you in comfort. So we're in the Dixie National Forest, and we are going to Cedar Breaks National Monument, and we're looking at the map here on the side of the road to see where we're going.
So we just turned and we're going up 14 here. We're going to continue on past Duck Creek Visitor Center and see the Navajo Lake.
Okay.
We'll come back down to the main road. Keep going west towards Cedar City. But then we'll turn north on 148. There's Cedar Breaks National Monument. There's Bryan Head Ski Resort. And then we'll come back on this road. Maybe we'll go see this lake. That's Penguich Lake.
More helmet hair. Woohoo! This is so pretty. Beautiful.
Outstanding national beauty.
Outstanding.
Outstanding. There's some big lava fields over by Flagstaff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's awesome. I like that stuff. But I know this sort of thing around Flagstaff, and other ones farther northeastern Arizona. Idaho has got that big craters of the moon. It's all stuff like this. Just volcanic activity everywhere.
Crazy. That's so pretty through the trees like that. But that water is ice cold.
I bet. Worthy.
Look in the tree, the bear tree right in front of you, up above.
Oh. Is that like a peregrine or anything? Or a snowhawk? Maybe? An owl? Can't tell. Don't know.
Beautiful. We made it to Navajo Lake. It's about 60 miles from our campsite. But wow, look at this lake. So serene, so smooth. You could go water skiing in this, it'd be so awesome. But I bet it's super cold. I think we're at 6,000 feet elevation. Don't know if this is man-made or what, but it is beautiful. Just gorgeous. How awesome is this? How awesome is this scenery? It's just beautiful. Look at that view.
But it's pretty awesome out here in the full moon.
He waved.
I wave back. Smoking that cigarette. Dirty, rotten smokers.
That water is so smooth. They could just have a blast skiing and shredding it up.
Yeah, just a little tiny bit of wind ripples. That's about it.
Ah. Navajo Lake. Alright, so now we're above Navajo Lake, and I had to take my Sena off and start charging it again because it died on me. But look at this beautiful lake. The sign over here, because this is what we were wondering, how it was formed. It was formed because we saw all those lava beds coming up, and so this lake is formed by lava. Prehistoric lava flow dammed the east side of the valley. Water comes through natural sinkholes in the lake bottom, travels in underground channels, and comes out as creeks and springs. There are two different types of volcanic eruptions in this Dixie National Forest. There are cinder cones which spewed coarse cinders and flying globs of hot lava before hitting the ground. Other eruptions sent vast sheets of red hot lava flowing across the land, cooling slowly into the dark, rough textured basalt called, I don't know how to pronounce that. So water from this lake feeds into two different watersheds, the Colorado River and the Great Basin. Some water flows south into Cascade Falls and the Virgin River, which flows through Zion Canyon before joining the Colorado River. This is pretty cool. Yeah, that's where we were over there on that road. That's awesome. What a...
You gotta look at things from both sides sometimes.
Cedar Breaks.
Indians say, if you bend cedar too much, it break.
Point Supreme, 10,350 feet elevation. So there's some smoke down there from a lightning fire. You can smell it. Yeah. What a view though, wow. Look at that. That's amazing. Look at it.
Cool.
Wow. The Chessmen Canyon fire. What started the fire? Lightning. Lightning and thunderstorms are very common here. Due to the high elevation, the weather can change quickly, often transforming from a sunny day to an intense lightning and thunderstorm. When lightning strikes a tree, the sap flashes into steam, and the tree can explode, creating a fire in its wake. This is just amazing.
And there's Cedar City over there.
Wow. It's cool. Wow. How cool is that?
Very. Might even say extremely.
So we're on the Sunset Trail, still near the visitor center. It's just a different overview. Wow, that smoke is just massive. Wow, it's just so pretty. Smell the trees. It smells like Christmas trees.
this is a great spot.
Did we bring anything else?
We got dates, cashews,
Okay.
salmon, pecans.
Yummy.
I think we got enough to survive.
Yeah.
Survive on that for about a month, if you had to.
What did I say it was? Like 6,000 feet elevation?
Over 10.
Oh, that's right.
10,350 over there. We're maybe, a few tens of feet lower, but
I'm surprised it's not colder. It's pretty dippy. But it gets pretty chilly at nighttime here.
mm-hmm.
So this is Chessmen Ridge Overlook. Elevation 10,460 feet. Very pretty here. Just beautiful. We're stopping at every place we think is worth checking out and then some. That's what the adventure is all about. Oh wow, look at that. Holy cow. Let me fix my GoPro here. Really tight it up. Wow. Look at that. There's that smoke. Oh man. What a view. Look over here. Holy moly. So we were straight across there. Wow. Wow. Holy moly. Look at that.
Fire?
Yeah. Crazy.
Close by lightning.
Yeah. Scary. Phew.
That's nature.
Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at all this lava.
Massive old pile.
Holy cow. So this road goes to Mammoth?
No, this is just called Mammoth Creek.
Mammoth Creek Road. Okay. Mammoth.
I think we're dropping back down to the road we came in on. So
Okay.
we came off 89 and we're coming up here. We're doing like a loop and then back down to 89.
What a pretty area. So different from all the Vermilion Cliffs from yesterday.
Yeah. Hard to believe it's the same area.
91 is only 323, dude. And ethanol 3, so we're doing pretty dang good. Alright.
I'm gonna need a second.
It's gonna melt.
All ice melts. Not all ice truly lives.
So we did just under 160 miles today.
Coolidge. I think
And
there's a guy coming around the corner. No, okay.
We are back from going to
Cedar Breaks.
Cedar Breaks and Navajo Lake,
Yeah.
and some nice little side roads. Had a couple of deer run in front of us, and saw all kinds of bikes on the road. And now we're back at our campsite, the Kanab RV Corral, riding on my favorite thing, gravel. Okay. Oh, what a day. What a great ride, 160 miles. And these bags are doing great. And this outside zipper will expand each one to 15 liters. It's real convenient. These are reflective here. Why isn't the zipper coming down? Because it's underneath the little thing. Okay, this review is not going well. Why is... Oh, because you go the other way. Oh, okay, you zip it this way, not this way. Right spot. Upside down? No. Okay, so let's see. Okay, no, I can do it.
There you go.
It's like a puzzle. Okay, kickstand down again. Oh. There we go. We did it.
Okay. And action. That is very good.
Very.